There was a meeting held on the 11th of January at Ruto and Kindiki's residence. This meeting included all the Mulima's MPs, and they came with their demand. These Mulima's MP were the MP who were with the government. They came with their demands. Each one of them was given 20 million Kenya shillings, and each one of them was demanding an extra CS position and a higher ranking position in the government for their families. On the 12th of January, the president met with all the MCAs in Nairobi, trying to get their support. My fellow Kenyans, let us not be bored. Hii mambo ya kumpigania mtu mmoja binafsi tuachane nayo. Tumwangalie yule mtu ambaye kwamba yuko na sisi. And this is not the time. The time right now, we have only one common enemy, and that is William Samoei Kipchirchir Arap Ruto. Juzi nilisikia mtu mmoja anaongea akisema he was a great supporter of William Samoei Ruto. Baba yake amefariki, hakupata pole hata kutoka kwa Ruto. Mimi namwambia huyu mtu, mimi I fought for Ruto with my own money, with my own health, with my family. And my father died. William Ruto did not even pick up the phone and say, "Hello, Dr. Mkeni. May your father die again." We all have to understand, my people. William Samoei Ruto is nothing but a loser, a user. He uses you and then he dumps you. I'll give you a very simple example. Let me ask you one thing. All those who died for Ruto, fought for Ruto, have been thrown aside. All those who were insulting Ruto have been pulled into the government. While us, we were pulled out of the government. Why? Because we were telling Ruto the truth, that what he was doing was wrong. My fellow Kenyans, last but not least, Ruto lies, but our action will not. Leadership. Please, my people, understand me. Leadership is service-oriented. I mean, you cannot stand and talk about leadership. Leadership is a responsibility, not a privilege of buying new Mercedes every year. That's not leadership, my brother. William Samoei Ruto, you are a sheep. You carry all Kenyans in you. We all depend on you. My fellow Kenyans, if this ship is not taking us nowhere, if there is no leadership in this ship, there is no friendship in this ship, my brothers and sisters, we need to abandon this ship. We need to abandon this ship. If there is no partnership in this ship, if we don't see any leadership in Ruto, all what we see is ruling, we need to abandon this ship. My brother Mainanjenga, how in the name of God could you stand up and say you are supporting William Samoei Ruto when millions of Kenyans are dying? Shame on all of you who support William Samoei Ruto. And may the will of God run into your head, or rather runs towards your head, so as you may ignore whatever Ruto is trying to inflict upon you, and you may bring the reality unto the people. Remember, my people, Ruto will lie, but our actions will not. Unless we stand together, we hold our hands together, nothing will happen. Kwaya machache ndugu zangu, may the blessings of God be upon all of you. Thank you.